that is associated with becoming a data scientist is that you need to have prior programming skills. Now, this I call it as a half myth. Half myth because you do need to know some programming languages, but not the typical traditional programming languages. What you need today is languages like R or Python, which are very user friendly, which are very simple, very easy to learn, and they are actually meant for decision makers. These languages are very good so that you can converse with the computer. You are able to do a lot of analysis of data using statistical techniques, and you are able to use it for creating your data science models. So yes, you do need some programming experience. You will need to learn some languages like R and Python, but you don't need to have prior programming experience to become a successful data scientist. That's all.